Hi, I'm Steve with Safety Speed Manufacturing, here to run through how to properly operate a vertical panel saw from Safety Speed. First thing to think of, ear protection, safety goggles, and then setting up a cut. Gravity is your friend when using a vertical panel saw, so when we're making a vertical cut, there's no need to clamp the wood into place since the machine is factory aligned here at Safety Speed before shipping to you. Horizontal cuts, we have a riving knife which stops the top piece from pinching the saw blade and causing kickback. So again, gravity being your friend using a vertical panel saw. A few standard features on vertical panel saws are vertical and horizontal tapes. Here we're showing a couple additional accessories. The dust kit, which can be added to any vertical panel saw. Wheels on the base, these two black wheels allow for portability. On the back side there's a folding stand, and on our larger H and 6400 models there's a fixed stand available to make your machine freestanding in your shop. Now we're going to demonstrate making a vertical and a couple horizontal cuts on our C5 vertical panel saw.